Hey, I was a commercial plumber, and I used to solder elbows like this. And I used to solder elbows like this. I used to use crescent wrenches like this. And I used to use crescent wrenches like this. I used to use ratchets like this. And I used to use ratchets like this. And I used to use chisels like this with hammers like this. And I used to use chisels like this. I forgot the hammer. And I used to use pipe wrenches like this. And I used to use pipe wrenches like this. Arr! That was commercial plumbing. I used to use drills like this. I used to use drills like this. And I used to solder valves like this. And I used to solder valves like this.